Good morning, children. Today we'll continue the same chapter. Up to pressure you all have studied that pressure is equal to force upon area. So unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Now we'll try to do the numericals based on this formula. So first numerical, a solid body weighs 200 Newton. This is weight of solid body. When placed on a wooden plank, the area of contact is found to be 5 meters square. This is the area in contact. This is Newton force. When the pressure exerted by the solid body on wooden plank, you have to find the pressure exerted. So pressure is equal to, first force is given as 200 Newton, area is given as 5 meters square. So pressure is equal to force upon area, that is 200 Newton upon 5 meter, that is equal to 40 Newton meter square or 40 Pascal. We also Newton meter square is represented as Pascal. You can see here it is Pascal. So Newton meter square can be written as Pascal. It is also unit of pressure. Now second numerical, a brick is 30 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 10 centimeter thick. It weighs 24 Newton and is lying on the ground. Find the pressure exerted by the brick on the ground. So force is equal to 24 Newton. Area of contact is equal to length into breadth. So length is 30 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. So that is area of the brick, base of the brick, or the area on which the brick will reside. So it is 0.3 meter into 0.1 meter. Here it is given in centimeter, so you have to convert it into meter. So 30 centimeter is equal to 0.3 meter and 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. That is equal to 0.03 meters square. Now pressure is equal to force upon area, that is 24 n upon 0.03, and that equals to 800 Newton meter square or 800 Pascal. So in this way you can solve the equations that are given in your book. Now application of pressure. A heavy truck is fitted with 6 to 14 tires. These tires increase the area of contact on which their weight acts and hence reduce their pressure on the ground. So the more heavy truck, the more number of tires are fitted in that truck, so that the pressure is distributed among the area. Now the cutting edge of knives, blades, axe are sharp because due to which the area of contact decreases and the pressure exerted by them increases. This is large pressure helps to cut the objects easily. Now we come to the third application. A school bag has a wide straps made of thick cloth, that is canvas, so that the weight of the bag may fall over large area of the shoulder of the child, producing less pressure on the shoulders, making it more comfortable to carry the heavy school bags. Now pressure exerted by liquids. Here in this figure you can see it is a test tube like structure, but it is open from both the sides. Fit a balloon inside it and fill little water. You will see the balloon is not much inflated, but in the second one you fill the water up to the neck, then you can see that balloon gets more inflated, more bulging, bigger in size. because of the pressure exerted by liquid on the balloon. The same type of example is here also. Little balloon, it is for the lateral pressure. If the quantity of liquid is less, then lateral pressure will also be less. And if the quantity of liquid is more, then lateral pressure on balloon exerted will be more. The balloon will bulge more if the liquid is more, and balloon will bulge little if the liquid filled is little in quantity, because it exerts less pressure, whereas this exerts more pressure on balloon. In this experiment, children, it is shown that at equal height the pressure produced by liquid is also equal. You can take a bottle, एक बॉटल लेके इक्वल हाइट पे चारों तरफ से 3-4 होल्स बना लीजिए और उसमें वाटर फिल करिए, तो वाटर फॉल का जो डिस्टेंस है सब में एक बराबर ही होगा, बिकॉज लिक्विड एक्सर्ट इक्वल प्रेशर एट इक्वल डिस्टेंस. Children, in this figure you can see here the pressure of liquid increases with depth. जितना ही ज़्यादा डेप्थ होगी उतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर इंक्रीज होगा. Now you fill the bottle and make 3 holes vertically, one above the other. You fill the bottle with water. Now you can see the water falling from A covers a very little distance, whereas the water falling from B is little far away from the water falling at A point. Then from C you can see it is falling the farthest. It is water is coming out and it is falling at the maximum distance. So we can say that pressure increases with increase in depth. So about pressure you have studied about how the pressure increases, that it increases with depth. If the more quantity of water is there, the pressure will be more. If the quantity is less, the pressure will be less. To measure pressure of water, a manometer is a simple device which is used to measure the water of pressure. Now applications of liquid pressure. The wall of dam is made thicker at the bottom. Here in the figure you can see at the bottom the wall is more thicker than at above, because the water pressure is more at depth. Water supply tank is placed at a high place in the building, because the water comes to the taps with high pressure. Now atmospheric pressure. The layer of air surrounding our earth is called atmosphere, and the pressure exerted by that air is known as atmospheric pressure. So the atmosphere extends up to a height of about 300 kilometers above the surface of earth. Air has weight, so it creates pressure on the objects below. The atmospheric pressure on the earth's surface at sea level is about 100 kilopascal. So atmospheric pressure near sea level is about 100 kilopascal. If such an enormous amount of pressure is acting on us, why do we not feel it? It is because the pressure of the blood in the blood vessels and other fluid present in the body balance the atmospheric pressure. यानी कि हमारे बॉडी पर लगातार एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर 100 पास्कल का पड़ते रहता है, लेकिन फिर भी हमें फील नहीं होता कि हमारे बॉडी पे प्रेशर पड़ रहा है. वाई इज़ इट सो? क्योंकि हमारे भी अंदर ब्लड में तो ब्लड प्रेशर है ना. Blood is continuously moving and creating pressure in our body, and that is why the pressure of our blood in the body and the atmospheric pressure both cancel each other and we don't feel any extra pressure. but you can feel it if you go deep into the water. Because when the person goes deep into the water, he needs special suits to wear, because there the pressure of water is maximum or increases. And when a person move above the ground level at higher altitudes, at that time also they need to carry oxygen cylinders, because atmospheric pressure and level of oxygen both decreases at higher altitudes. Now, applications of atmospheric pressure. Drinking straw. You normally use a drinking straw to drink fruit juice. You suck air at the upper end of the straw with your mouth, and the pressure of the air inside the straw is reduced, and the fruit juice start rising up in the straw. Now next, rubber suction pad. Rubber suction pads are used on the walls to hang clothes and calendars. ये रबर सक्शन पैड्स होते हैं, इनके बीच में गैप होती है और ये इसको प्रेस करके दीवार में चिपका देते हैं, तो ये दीवार से चिपक जाता है. इसके बाद यू कैन यूज़ इट एज हैंगर, है ना. वाई इज इट सो? द प्रेशर इनसाइड दिस रबर sucker is less and the atmospheric pressure is more. That's why it remains stick to the wall. Okay children, in this way chapter is complete. We'll continue doing exercise in the next period.